story from Mumbai where an 80-year-old COVID patient who went missing from a hospital was found dead on a railway track in Mumbai. He was found dead near a railway track after going missing on 6th of June from Shatabdi Hospital. So several reports of medical apathy coming in from Mumbai at a time when the entire state of Maharashtra is battling with COVID-19, Mumbai being the epicenter. Alisha also joining us with more details. Alisha, back-to-back reports coming in. This particular 80-year-old man, COVID-19 patient who went missing, found close to railway tracks. Now, Kirat Somaiya of the BJP will be filing a complaint on the same at 11:30 a.m. But several other reports. Another old woman who was buried without informing her family. In another case, another person who went missing, found 8 days after she went missing in a hospital, in a public toilet, I beg your pardon. So several of these reports coming in.
बिल्कुल महाराष्ट्र के हॉस्पिटल की अब कंडीशन जहां पर देखी जा रही है, कहीं ना कहीं पर एक सफर आम जनता कर रही है, क्योंकि अब जो खुद किरण सोमैया जो कि एक मिसिंग कंप्लेंट, जो कि एक मिसिंग पेशेंट जो था, जो कि अब रेलवे ट्रैक पर जो है पाया गया था, शताब्दी हॉस्पिटल में उसको एडमिट कर।
Alisha, I'll be back, but we have Kirat Somaiya joining us on the phone line. Mr. Somaiya, 80-year-old COVID patient found dead close to a railway track. He went missing, and several such reports now coming in. Your first thoughts, because you will be filing a missing complaint report at around 11:30 a.m. today.
Actually, we are filing complaint against the government of Maharashtra in Shatabdi Hospital. Such an inhuman behavior, criminal negligence. And now everywhere, whether it is Thane, whether it is Mumbai, whether it is Jalgaon, everywhere the same thing is happening. Is it a modus operandi of Thackeray Sarkar? A person is kept in the corona ward. In spite of his report has not received, along with the dead bodies, 80-year-old man, and the hospital says he has run out from the hospital and his dead body is found on the railway track. It is a criminal negligence, and that's why, along with the family members, we will be filing the complaint at Udar police station.
Yes, Mr. Somaiya, not just that, another report wherein a 62-year-old grandmother was buried without informing the family. Another such report, in fact, wherein another COVID-19 patient went missing, was found in a toilet 8 days after he went missing. So several such reports coming in, and what this does is it instills fear at a time when Maharashtra is battling COVID-19 crisis at that kind of a magnitude. Absolutely shocking.
Maharashtra Thackeray Sarkar is trying to manipulate the system. They are trying to declare that people are absconding from the hospital. That I can tell you, dozens of dead bodies are lying in the morgue of the hospital. The testing is just than 50% of the needed people. So Thackeray Sarkar is trying to manipulate the system to show they have won the battle against corona.
Many thanks, Mr. Kirat Somaiya, for joining us with that perspective. Mr. Somaiya will be filing a complaint at around 11:30. He's alleging negligence on the part of Maharashtra government because this man found dead alongside a railway track was also kept in a COVID ward along with several other dead bodies. Absolutely shocking what we're witnessing in Maharashtra. For the moment, quickly putting out the